Hello friends, it's Dr. Mayank here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying healthy. Now looking onto the screen you are seeing the word NAVLE. What is it? Let's discuss it today. NAVLE stands for the North American Veterinary Licensing Exam. This exam is similar to the USMLE, which is United States Medical Licensing Exam for the MBBS student who want to practice in the United States of America. Now coming on to the NAVLE, NAVLE is very mysterious exam in term of number of questions asked, the species breakdown and the mark required to get passed. And this video is to make it easy to understand for you. Now this NAVLE is a computer based test. It has a 6 section and each section containing the 60 question. Thus the total number of questions which will be asked will be 360. Now, out of these 360 questions, the 60 questions are the pre-test questions, which means their marks will not be included in the score, but you cannot differentiate these 60 questions out of 360 because they are mixed among the 360 questions. Now, when the test is offered and how many times you can appear. The test is mainly offered in the month of November and December and April, means 2 times in a year. And how many times you can appear? You can appear 5 times. But these 5 times must be completed in a 5 year from your first attempt. And the important thing is that the last 2 attempts must have a gap of 1 year. Now, the time allowed and the breaks. So there is a 65 minute is given for the each section and the total break is of a 45 minute, which is splitted in between the 6 section. So thus the total test duration is of a 6.5 hour and 45 minutes. And this is how the section is divided. The section 1, after section 1 there will be no break. After section 2 there will be 10-minute break. After section 3, 15, 4, 10 minutes, 5, 10 minutes break. So this is how the section and the time is divided. Now the analyzing onto the exam, we can see that the canine portion covered 23% question, feline 23%, equine 16%, bovine 15%. So if you are preparing for the NAVLE, you must focus more on the canine and feline than the equine and bovine. Now coming onto the question, you can say that 70 questions are asked from the canine portion, 68 from the feline, 47 from the equine and 45 from the bovine. In this way you can break down. So this is how the questions are being asked. Now coming on to the NAVLE topic breakdown, so 46% is of about data gathering and interpretation, so these are fact based, and 47% is a clinical aspect and the 7% is the communication and how you practice. So this is about your professional behavior, how you are going to deal with the client. So what about the pass rate and the passing score? So don't know the minimum score which is required to pass the exam, that is not known, and your score will be between 200 to 800 marks and the passing marks minimum is 425. So there is an official statement of the NAVLE which says that the NAVLE passing standard is determined by the panelists of the veterinarians. So there are veterinarians who will judge depending upon the level of exam. They are going to decide whether the candidate should pass or not because it includes the interview portions. So if you want to watch the more video like this, so subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.